ladies and gentlemen, watch as we light up the sky with color and magic. For your viewing pleasure, SM Elevation present the brightest show on earth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
You stepped aside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. 'Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's the part where you break it all the way down, 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 down. It's the part where I turn you all the way around, round, round, round. Put some spirit in it, put your heart into it, that's all I need. And if I like what I see, you're coming home with me. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, I just might. Oh, I just might.
Thank you for watching Pyro Spectacular from SM Elevation. We hope to see you again next week for another breathtaking pyro musical only from SM Elevation.
Okay. Ayan. Yun, okay na.